Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to transfer Google Play balance to your Cash App. First of all, I will remind you that there is no direct way to transfer Google Play balance to your Cash App. First of all, guys, you need to withdraw money from Google Play to your bank, and then you can transfer money from your bank account to your Cash App. First of all, go to Google Play, click your profile icon on the top right, then go to the payments and subscriptions, and on this page you will see the withdrawal option. At the moment I don't have it because I don't have money on Google Play balance, but here in this menu you will see the withdrawal option. You need to withdraw money from Google Play and send it to your bank account. So once you will transfer your money from Google Play to your bank account, then you need to go to your Cash App. Click the profile icon on top right, scroll a little bit down, go to the linked banks, click a linked debit card and enter your debit card information right here and link your debit card. And then you can deposit from this debit card to your Cash App balance, or you can just manually link your bank account, click no card on the bottom, and then click continue. Here are banking institutions, so you need to find your bank and you can link it manually, guys. For example, you're using Bank of America, click it and it will ask you to log into your account. So you will enter your credentials and you will link your Bank of America account to your Cash App, guys. So once you will link your account to your Cash App, then you can just click this bank icon on the bottom, click add money, choose add instantly, and just deposit money from your bank account to your Cash App. That's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.